Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda HR-V gas cap. First, find the fuel door release lever on the driver's side floor. Pull this lever up to unlatch the fuel door. Then, simply twist the gas cap counterclockwise to remove it. After fueling, turn the cap clockwise until you hear a click, ensuring it's sealed. Finding the release lever is quite straightforward. It's usually located on the floor to the left of the driver's seat, close to where your left foot rests. You'll often see a small icon of a gas pump on or near it. Just give it a firm pull upwards to pop open the fuel door. Once you pull the release lever, the fuel door on the exterior of your HR-V will unlatch and spring open a little. You might need to give it a gentle push to fully open it. It's designed to open smoothly, providing easy access to the gas cap for easy refueling. With the fuel door open, simply twist the gas cap counterclockwise to remove it. Many HR-V models have a small hook on the fuel door to hold the cap while you refuel. When you're done, screw the cap back on clockwise until you hear at least 3 clicks. This ensures a proper seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.